Alright, welcome back. Flight Goal 17th F-15 build. Just want to show you guys this. The kit comes with these carbon bypasses. You know, you can do like a full bypass if you want, or do the half bypass. I've seen most people just put this in, run that right into the pipe. Kind of heavy, but like I said, it's for heat protection. Let's see what these things weighs. Yeah, I took some do this off, on. Yeah, just the half bypass is almost 4 ounces. And the one that I made, which is out of aluminum, is about a little over an ounce. What I did, just cut it to fit. I didn't go the full length because this is a cold section anyways. I just went right past the mount, which is where it starts getting hot, and then you can see with this installed, there we go, it's going to be right about like this. So it's going to cover from the hot section of the turbine, the gap, this single walled area up to the double wall. And you know, I think this being a double walled area, the heat's not as bad, and what I could do is just put some heater blanket in here or some aluminum tape if I needed to. It'd be fine. But what I thought about doing too, this is the excess that I cut off, you know, just to kind of demonstrate, is just cut a piece a little bit wider so it covers the entire hot area in the aft. And it'd be kind of like this, just bolted on top. But I don't know, that's just an if. May not do that, because this area is your hatch, and I may just take some ceramic paint or some heater blanket and line it. But I may go ahead and put a piece of aluminum right through here. We'll see. But just want to show you guys this before I get the turbines installed, or back installed, because this will all be covered up. So all I did was attached it with 4 servo screws, and this stuff is pretty. Let me see if I got one. Let's see what the thickness is. It was, yeah, it's not very thick. It's they call it aluminum flashing. It's what they use for chimneys and stuff on roofs. Pretty flexible, but it's rigid enough to do what I need to do. Plus, you can cut it with scissors. So, and it's half the weight of the carbon bypasses. So, the main reason I did this was because, like I said before, your gear is going to sit right there under the hot section. So I'm going to have electric motors on the gear and the wires, and then there's some air lines here. So that's just to protect that stuff from heat. So I'm probably going to have to either take some ceramic paint, put here, or line the back side of this pipe with a blanket. I don't know. Multiple options. So that is about it. Hadn't done any work much in the last 2 days, so it's been so busy, but I'm kind of getting back to it this weekend. I slept like 15 hours last night. It was ridiculous. I was just worn out. Yeah, got my air tanks in. I'm going to use 2 of these. It comes with the larger tanks, but I'm not running gear or anything, so I went with these smaller, lighter weight tanks, and they're just going to go up here in the nose. And I'm going to do the same thing on the 14, because like I said, the only thing that's going to be air in these 2 is the gear doors, canopy, speed brake, and brakes. The F-14 will be gear doors, canopy, hook, and brakes, and then there's a speed brake in the back. But what I'm actually thinking about doing to get rid of one valve is just hooking up a I don't think I want to make the hook actually functional, so I may just make it static, just glue it into place, or get a Lido servo actuator or linear actuator and put on it to prevent having another air valve and running all that air line. But you guys take it easy. I'm going to get back to work, get the other side finished, put the turbines back in, make sure everything clears, and kind of decide on how I want to do, if I want to do paint or a heater blanket. You guys take it easy.